In today's video, I will show you an extremely powerful TradingView magic indicator that is one of the best TradingView indicators you can find. I used this indicator with one other TradingView indicator, and after 100 trades, I found out that this trading strategy has a 76% win rate. If you want to grow your account by 482%, like I did, then make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't make any unnecessary mistakes. This is our magic buy sell signal indicator, the double RSI trend indicator. This is a popular technical analysis tool used to measure the strength of price action in a financial market. This indicator compares the magnitude of recent gains to recent losses in an attempt to determine overbought and oversold conditions of an asset. After this thorough analysis, the indicator generates either a buy or a sell signal. The second indicator we will use in our trading is called double RSI for Kate indicator. This volume indicator functions similarly as our first indicator, but this one shows us if we are either in an overbought market, which is the area above the black line, or in an oversold market, which is the area below this black line. That's everything you need to know about our indicators. Now let me show you how you can create this trading setup by yourself. So we are currently looking at a 1-minute chart of SPY, which is also the best time frame for this trading strategy. So open your indicators tab and let's add all necessary indicators to our chart. The first indicator we will be using is called double RSI trend. We will be using this very first one by Barrett Denning, so left click it once. We need to change a few settings for this indicator, so open this indicator's settings option in the top left corner. In Inputs tab, change the ATR length from 1 to 2. Next, we have to change this factor value from 1.85 to 2. Lastly, we have to change this short RSI period from 25 to 27. Everything else is fine, so press OK. Now we need to apply another indicator to our chart. The second indicator is called double RSI for Kate. We will be using this one by Carrie Kate Gordon, so left click it once. Again, we need to change a few settings. In Inputs, we have to change this RSI 1 period value from 25 to 27. In Style tab, change RSI 2 color from white to black. And lastly, change the thickness for all 3 lines. Press OK, and just like that, our trading setup is ready. Now, let's see how to trade with this trading setup. So first, the double RSI trend indicator must give us a buy signal. Second, the line in our RSI for Kate indicator must be green colored and must also cross the black line upwards. And lastly, the market must form a bullish candle. If all 3 conditions are met, then we can enter a long trade. Our stop loss will be placed at the bottom of the previous candle. And our take profit will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Let's see if our long prediction was correct. We were correct on this prediction and made a profitable long trade. Now, let's see how to enter a short position. First, the double RSI trend indicator must give us a sell signal. Second, the line in our RSI for Kate indicator must be red colored and must also cross the black line downwards. And lastly, the market must form a bearish candle. If all 3 conditions are met, then we can place a sell order. Our stop loss will be placed at the top of the previous candle. And our take profit will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Let's see if our short prediction was correct. We were correct once again and made another profitable trade. If you still don't understand how to trade with this trading setup, don't worry, because right now I will show you some trade examples, and by the end of this video, you will understand this trading strategy fully, and you will also be able to use it in a real market and make some easy profits. The RSI trend indicator gave us a buy signal, which is our first condition. Next, we can see that the green line in RSI for Kate indicator crossed the black line upwards, which is our second condition. And lastly, the candlestick is bullish, which is our third and final condition, so we can enter a long trade. We will set our stop loss to the bottom of the previous candle. And our take profit will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Now let's see how this trade goes. Success! We have reached our target and made a profitable trade. Let's search for another trade. The RSI trend indicator gave us a buy signal. The green line in RSI for Kate indicator crossed the black line upwards. And lastly, the candlestick is bullish, which is our third and final condition. All three conditions are met, so we can enter a long trade. We will set our stop loss to the bottom of the previous candle. And our take profit will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio. We have hit our target and made another profitable long trade. Let's continue trading. Now we have received a sell signal, which is our first short trade condition. Our second short trade condition is that the line in RSI for Kate indicator is red colored and that it also crossed the black line downwards. And lastly, the last candle in our chart must be bearish. All three short trade conditions are met, so we can enter a short trade. Our stop loss will be set to the top of the previous candle. And as always, our take profit will be set to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Great, we have hit our target and made our first profitable short trade. Let's do a few more trades. We received yet another buy signal. Next, we can also see that the line in RSI for Kate indicator is green colored and that it also has crossed the black line upwards. And lastly, our candlestick is bullish, which is our third and final long trade condition, so we can enter a long trade. We will set our stop loss to the bottom of the previous candle. And we will set our take profit target to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. We have hit our take profit target and made yet another profitable trade. Let's search for one last trade. So we have received yet another signal, but this time it's a sell signal. Our next condition for short trade is that the line in RSI for Kate indicator must be red colored and must also cross the black line downwards. Our two conditions are met, and so is the last one, which says that the last candle in our chart must be bearish. With all three conditions met, we can enter a short trade. Once again, we will set our stop loss to the top of the previous candle. And as always, our take profit will be set to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Now let's see how our last trades goes. Our last trade went flawlessly, and all 5 of our trades turned out to be profitable. That's it for this video. If you want more amazing trading strategies, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and as always, I will see you in the next video.